वास्को पोलिसांनी हावेरी कर्नाटकाचो महम्मद पठाण हेका सुमार 79,000 रुपयाचो गुटखा बेकायदेशीररित्या गोंयांत हाडिल्ले कडेन धरलो. 3 नायलॉनाच्या बॅगा सयत तेका धरला. पुलीस फुडलो तपास करता. आर्टेक्सको ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
16/9/2018 at around 10:40 hours, based on reliable specific information, a Vasco police staff led by PSI Ritesh Tari conducted raid near Vegetable Market, wherein a truck bearing registration number GA06T2600 was found containing 3 nylon bags, which in turn contained contraband of gutka, which is banned, as the same is injurious to public health. In this respect, we have registered an offence under section 87F of the Goa Public Health Amendment Act 2005. The accused driver, Mohammad Rafiq Patan, aged 47 years, native of Haveri, has been taken into custody and presently remanded to police custody for 1 day. He will be produced on 18/9/2018. We are in the process of finding the source of this gutka and to whom the gutka was to be transported. Further investigation in progress.